DeepSeek and passive income. So guys, DeepSeek is one of the recent developments in artificial intelligence, and you can make use of this tool to make passive income. So what is passive income? Passive income in a simple or a layman's language is money that you make while you are not doing anything. I'll give you an example. I have my $5,000. I put it somewhere. Then after 2 months or 3 months or after 6 months, I get that that money has increased from $5,000 to $6,000. I've made that profit of $1,000 without doing anything. Anyway, the focus of this video is to explain to you how you can make passive income with this recent development of AI. What is AI? I would like to first of all define what is AI. AI simply means artificial intelligence. Recently I was trying to explain, I wanted to find out if a high school student, a high school graduate understands the meaning of AI, and I was shocked that in our country high school graduates do not understand what is AI. So AI simply means a tool that is capable of doing what a human being can do. Artificial intelligence, chatbots like ChatGPT, now we have DeepSeek, are capable of thinking like a human being. They are capable of reasoning like a human being. They are capable of doing tasks like writing like human beings do. So anyway, DeepSeek has come out as one of the recent developments, and it's appearing on top of Apple Store as the #1 AI app. One of the reasons why this app or chatbot is causing shocks in the AI industry is that it is relatively low cost, that it is free, and it's also capable of doing much more than what ChatGPT can do. Another fact you need to know about this chatbot is that it came from China. Its origin is from China, and the amount of money that was used to develop this AI is relatively low. The Chinese were able to make this chatbot at a relatively low budget as compared to the billions that were used for creating or developing ChatGPT. So many people have not tested this chatbot, and this is a great opportunity. You can start learning how to make use of this chatbot. So before we start making use of DeepSeek for making passive income, the first thing you need to know is that for you to start using this chatbot, the first thing you need to do is to create an account. And for you to create an account, you simply go to this website, deepseek.com. Then you register with your email. Click here, start now. Put in your phone number. For me, I put in my email. Then I use the password. Then I confirmed the terms of use. Then voila, I was able to sign up. Then once sign up, I came to this interface. You will be able to go to the interface just like ChatGPT, and you will be able here once you are here on this interface, you can chat with this chatbot. Let's say I'm interested in making passive income. First of all, let me ask the chatbot, can you really act as my investment advisor? So we want to test this chatbot to see if it can. So after several attempts, we have this response. While I can provide general information and insight about investing, it is important to note that I am not a licensed financial advisor, and my responses should not be considered personalized financial advice. Investing involves risks, and decisions should be made based on your financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. For tailored advice, I recommend consulting a certified financial advisor. Okay, so what can you assist me to do? Number one, I can assist you here. Some of the areas I can help you: basic investment principles, types of investments, market trends, portfolio building. That is how to construct a balanced portfolio based on your goals. I can also advise you on risk assessment, understanding your risk tolerance and how it affects your investment choices. Retirement planning, general guidance on saving for retirement. Now let's be more specific in the prompt. I have my $1,000. Please guide me on how to invest in S&P 500 and crypto. So that I make passive income this year without much struggle. Yeah, I think that's a nice one. Invest 1,000 and S&P 500, and cryptocurrency can be a good way to potentially grow your wealth. But it is important to understand that all investment carry risk, and there is no guarantee of returns, especially in the short term. Below, I'll guide you on how to approach this with focus on simplicity and passive income. So the advice we are getting here: the first step, you understand your goals and risk tolerance. So first thing I've been told is to understand what is my income goal. How much do I want to earn from these $1,000? Then it says passive income typically comes from dividends, staking, or interest, but these are often require large investments or time to grow. I've heard about dividends. For example, when you invest in company shares, invest in stocks, invest in circles. We have staking. I don't know what that means, or interest. Then number two, risk tolerance. The S&P 500 is relatively stable over the long term. But crypto is roughly volatile. So DeepSeek is telling me that crypto is highly volatile. Be prepared for potential losses. So my 1,000 shillings, if I put it in risk in everything in crypto, I might risk losing everything. Step number two, allocate your $1,000. A balanced approach might look like this. This sounds so good. It's guiding me. 70%, that is $700 in the S&P 500. Okay. Then 30%, that is $300 in crypto. This would be a smart move. So that it has told me that crypto is very highly volatile. If I decide to put in my $1,000, I will risk losing everything. But even if I lose $300, that will not be a big deal because I would still be having my $700, which is put in a more stable or steady investment. Then number 3, invest in the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is a stock market index that tracks performance of 500 large US companies. It is a great way to invest in the broader market with low effort. So how do you choose where to invest now that it has told me that I can invest in S&P 500? First of all, I need to choose a platform where I need to do the investment. The first thing to do is to look for a low-cost broker. That is, a low-cost broker that will not charge me a high fee for doing this investment. So we have this Vanguard, we have Fidelity, we have our Charles Schwab. It is also directing me to use apps like Robinhood or Webull, because apps you just tap on your smartphone and wow, you have invested in S&P 500. Then step number 2, buy an S&P 500 ETF. So explanation here is that ETFs like SPY, SPDR, and the SP 500 or VOO are popular options. The EFTs track the S&P 500 and have low fees. That's a very good point, the low fees. Then set up automatic investments. That's another point. So what is this whole idea about passive income from S&P 500? S&P 500 pays dividends, typically around 1.5% annually. With $700 invested, you might learn that 10 per year in dividends, reinvesting them can grow your wealth over time. Then we have this other option. The second step is to invest in cryptocurrency. Crypto is highly volatile. I'm being reminded about that. How do you invest? The first thing you need to do is to choose a platform. Okay, like for me, I know Binance. I put some money in Binance. You can also use Coinbase or Kraken. Okay, then you pick the cryptocurrencies. You can choose either Bitcoin, you can choose Ethereum. That is whichever you find that has a lower risk. You can also consider taking coins like Cardano, Solana, and Ethereum for passive income. You're also being advised to diversify your crypto portfolio. So with that $300, ensure that you allocate each coin, maybe 150 for Bitcoin, 100 for Ethereum, and 50 for a staking coin. So read more, find out what is a staking coin. So in short, DeepSeek has given me a strategy for investing my $1,000. And here is an example that I've been given. S&P 500, $700. I will be able to get dividends. For cryptocurrency, I can choose to invest $150 for Bitcoin, then 100 for Ethereum, then Cardano. That is a staking coin. I invest $50. So what are the key tips that I'm being told here? Start small. The $1,000 is a great starting point, but it is wise to start small. Diversify. Ensure that you put all your money. You do not put all your money in one basket. Avoid emotional decisions. Stick to your plan, especially during market volatility. Then educate yourself. So guys, in short, that's how you can make your $1,000, or how you can invest your $1,000 using this new AI technology and make good passive income. I don't know if this video has been useful to you. Let me know. I would like to hear your insights. Have you ever used this tool to make investment decisions? Otherwise, thank you so much. You can share this with your loved ones, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Only around 1.5% annually. With $700 invested, you might learn that 10 per year in dividends, reinvesting them can grow your wealth over time. Then we have this other option. The second step is to invest in cryptocurrency. Crypto is highly volatile. I'm being reminded about that. How do you invest? The first thing you need to do is to choose a platform. Okay, like for me, I know Binance. I put some money in Binance. You can also use Coinbase or Kraken. Okay, then they will pick the cryptocurrencies. You can choose either Bitcoin,